Today's video was originally going to be just a clean with me video, but I started with unpacking the groceries and putting them away. But it quickly turned into a cook with me video because my entire family was home and hanging out in the kitchen and wanted food. So I started cooking, and because I was already filming, I decided to film that too. So you're going to see a little bit of my family and you're going to see a little bit of cooking as well as some cleaning. This was about the second or third time I had to edit my video to crop them out, so I decided after the fourth time I'm just gonna leave it in. Can you guys get your faces out of my video? I know you were recording. I'm gonna leave it in there. I'm leaving it. I'm leaving it. Okay. Yes.
Can I go twerk?
No.
What?
Move back today.
That's twerking.
I'm leaving it.
Alright.
Almost always when I'm cleaning or doing a video, recording a video, they do walk in front of the camera, but I usually will stop and pause whatever I'm doing so that they can pass by and then I can edit them out. But they did it so frequently today, and it's so frustrating with so many people going in and out. For continuity of the video, it's really hard to do unless I stop what I'm doing, which I just decided after the fourth time, I'm just not gonna stop what I'm doing and I'm gonna leave them in my video.
I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
I had to laugh here when I saw this. They totally thought they were getting pizza. I have a basket for snacks in my pantry, and I don't like to just throw all of the individual little candy bars into the bin. So what I'm doing is I'm emptying the packages of the candy bars. They were the 10 for $10 at Kroger of the little small snack size. So I'm taking them and putting them into like a Ziploc bag to put that bag into the bin in my pantry.
'Cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I'ma go too fast.
My husband's 51st birthday was the day after I filmed this video. No, day before. It was the day before, that's why it's still on my refrigerator today while I'm filming.
Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich. No, I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not to.
Do you guys have dishes that you always hand wash and never put in the dishwasher? I have a new set of pots and pans, and ever since I got them, they always come out of the dishwasher with some film on them. So I don't know if it is my dishwashing tablets or if it's just the type of material for the pots and pans, but I don't ever put them in the dishwasher anymore. And then my knives that go in my knife block, those never go in the dishwasher. So I usually hand wash those types of items, and I just had a few of these big items here that I was gonna hand wash, and I'm about to make a meatloaf, so I'm gonna wash this pan as well.
House in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about...
Now the meatloaf recipe that I'm about to make is 99% the same recipe that I have always made my entire life. The only thing that I am adding that I don't normally add is a half a pound of ground pork. And I saw a Pinterest recipe, actually quite a few, where they use ground pork, so I added a half a pound of ground pork to my pound of ground beef, and my entire family said it was the best meatloaf they have ever had in their entire life. And also, I just want to add a note, the A1 sauce that I add to this meatloaf has to be the Thick and Hearty, not the regular A1 sauce, because the Thick and Hearty tastes different. Now I know some people have issues with touching raw meat, especially ground hamburger, and I see videos where people mix their ground beef or ground meat with a wooden spoon. I'm not one of those people.
And trying to be tough all the daytime. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself.
While the meatloaf is cooking, I usually wait about 10 or 15 minutes before I start the potatoes, and I always cube them, cut them up into these little small pieces because I think they cook faster. I don't know if that's true or not.
You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell.
And oops, I forgot a potato. So while I cut up this potato, basically all I'm going to do now is just boil the potatoes for about 10 minutes, and then once they're finished cooking, I will mash them and serve with green beans.
I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down.
Do you guys have a fly zapper? I got this thing on Amazon, and let me tell you, it's awesome. I love it. I just want to clarify for anyone that may have a question about whether or not that's the same dish towel. It's not. I went and got a new dish towel and put the old one in the laundry room. I'm also going to make some green beans with the mashed potatoes and meatloaf today, although my personal preference would be corn or peas. My family's favorite is green beans. Although you didn't see it in this video, I think this is probably the 4th time I've cleaned this counter as well. I cleaned it before I put my groceries on it when I unloaded them. I cleaned it before I unloaded the dishes. I cleaned it after I made the meatloaf, and now that I've done the dishes again, I am cleaning it again.
I've got a song, you hum along, and we have fun, fun, fun when we're moving to the beat. This kind of song makes you belong to something greater, something that makes you wanna sing. And it gets you in a dancing flow, and moving gets so easy, feeling easy to me.
About a year or two ago, I started getting Home Chef delivery, and one of the recipes was homemade mashed potatoes, and the recipe did not call for any milk, which I thought was really strange. It only called for butter and sour cream. Well, ever since I made that recipe, that's how I make my mashed potatoes, and it is super, super delicious. Everyone's eaten dinner now, and I am packing up the leftovers to clean the kitchen for what seems like the third time today.
And moving gets so easy, feeling easy to me. And it makes it kicking upward slow. And living gets so easy, easy. And again and again and again and again and again and again I play it on. Sing, sing, you gotta sing to believe it. Sing to believe it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sing, sing, sing. If you can sing, you can feel it. Give in, get out, just go for the top. Sing along. Everybody wanna sing, sing, sing. Take it on. Sing, sing, sing. Sing along. Everybody wanna sing, sing, sing. Take it on. Sing, sing, sing. Sing along. Take it on. Sing, sing, sing now. Get up and just sing now. Sing, sing, sing. You gotta sing to believe it. Sing to believe it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sing, sing, sing. If you can sing, you can feel it. Give in, get out, just go for the top. Sing along. Everybody wanna sing, sing, sing. Take it on. Sing, sing, sing. Sing along. Everybody wanna sing, sing, sing.
Really and truly intended to do a whole house clean with me today, but once I started in the kitchen unloading my groceries, I had to clean the kitchen, and then I made food and cleaned the kitchen again. I spent pretty much my entire day in the kitchen, and now I'm just going to clean the den, and what seems like 11 minutes later, it took me to clean this table off. I'm going to vacuum, and it's pretty much all I get done today.
Next to you, feeling something brand new, and I haven't seen you in years, but I know you. Oh, I really missed you. Before when I met you, I never saw. No, I never saw the way that you look now is all I know. Yeah, it's all I know. So forget about the past. You and I could be lasting. This time we could be lasting. This time we could be lasting. Counting every star.
Yep, I had to go back and make sure that the feet line up exactly with the lines on the floor.
But I know them. Oh, I'm really drowning. Before when I met you, I never saw. No, I never saw the way that you look now is all I know. Yeah, it's all I know. So forget about the past. You and I could be lasting. This time we could be lasting. This time we could be lasting.
Thanks so much for watching my video today. If you try my meatloaf recipe or your version of it, or the mashed potatoes with the sour cream, let me know in the comments if you like it, and I will see you in my next video.